This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Vidi Payne. This home has been freshly painted and new LVP flooring and carpet installed. This home offers 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, kitchen, great room, fenced-in backyard and 1 carriage garage. No pets or smoking on the property. Must have renter's insurance prior to move-in date, and all utilities, electric, gas, water and sewage, transferred prior to move-in date. Available for immediate rental. For more information, review the details below.